When it comes to choosing a color scheme for your bathroom, it can be overwhelming with all the options available. But fear not. We've rounded up 13 of the best colors for your bathroom to help inspire your next renovation. 1. Orange. Tangerine and other shades of bright orange are somewhat uncommon in interior design, largely because their boundless energy can quickly overwhelm a space. The pictured bathroom is a prime example of how to successfully use orange. When it's included in a few different locations, it energizes the room without looking garish. The cheerful bathroom in the picture also does a great job of bringing together vintage and modern influences. The tiled floor has an unmistakably retro vibe. The orange included at the top of the ceiling is something you'd expect to see in a bathroom with modern decor. Combining styles like this doesn't always work, but this bathroom does it successfully. 2. Green. Many bathrooms seem to be blue, white, black, or a mixture of the three. But if you really want a bathroom to stand out, try adding touches of lime green. Though it's a cool color, it's useful for adding high-energy bursts to cooler neutral palettes. Lime green looks best against cool neutral backdrops that use primarily white or gray. It also works well in small doses. The pictured bathroom uses just enough. A few towels and bright green plants are all you need to complete the look. 3. Beige. Beige is pale and common enough that some people find it dull. However, when incorporated into the right palette and paired with the right accessories, beige can actually help create a dynamic palette. For instance, the pictured bathroom does a great job using beige as a base color. The white bathtub and grouting fit right in. But with no other colors in the palette, the bathroom would look quite dull. In this case, metallics add just enough dynamism. Soft gold sink and tub hardware look great alongside beige. Silver tub feet and accent furniture top off the luxurious look. Of course, you don't have to stick to a neutral-only palette like this one. Deep shades of blue, green, and other cool colors tend to look great against cool beige. 4. Blue, Marin. If you like navy blue but want something a little less dark and a little more ocean-inspired, marine blue might be ideal. It contrasts beautifully with white tubs, toilets, and sinks. You often see it as a wall color, but if you really want to dive in, you can use it for both wall and floor tiling. If you do this, just be sure to add enough white to balance it out. White ceilings, cabinetry, and other accents can help you do this. 5. Dark gray. Unevenly colored gray walls are beautifully reminiscent of stone. And as you can see in the photo, rugged-looking walls like these make the perfect backdrop for a sleek, modern palette. Mostly white palettes are common in modern design schemes, but this variant uses darker colored walls and flooring to really set the white bathtub and furniture apart. You don't have to have a super modern bathroom to successfully use this color scheme, though. If you have a bathroom that is already white, paint your walls dark gray and add deep gray towels and rugs. Often, that's enough to really transform the space. 6. Rose. Rose is another vintage-inspired color, although this one is more closely associated with the 1990s. You sometimes see quilts and living room furniture in this slightly muted shade, but it's a highly unique choice for a bathroom. Use a few touches to add some character to a mostly neutral bathroom, or layer multiple shades of dusty rose like the bathroom in the picture. If you're already replacing floors and wall tiles, these are excellent places to use dusty rose. If you aren't, you still have the opportunity to include ample amounts if you wish. Mirrors, curtains, cabinets, shelves, towels, and rugs are all great examples. 7. Black. Most people proceed with caution when incorporating large stretches of black in an interior. When you take the time to craft a balanced color scheme, mostly black bathrooms can actually look very inviting. The pictured bathroom is a great example. The black walls are broken up just enough with white. White furniture and flooring offer an appealing contrast, too. If you like the combination of black and white, you can incorporate it into a range of other palettes, too. Black and white tiled flooring will fit into a variety of color schemes. And if you're decorating a bathroom for kids, a Dalmatian printed shower curtain will add a playful touch to a black and white palette. 8. Brown. You might think that shades of brown are too boring. But some shades, when used right, will actually make your bathroom palette more dynamic than ever. The pictured Moroccan-style bathroom has a gentle, ensconcing effect thanks to its deep cocoa walls. But its relatively light wood flooring and warm white tubs and sinks, not to mention the ample natural light, make sure that it doesn't get too dark. You don't have to have a Moroccan-style bathroom for this color scheme to work. Be careful if you have a very small bathroom, though. Darker shades will sometimes make a small space seem even smaller, especially when you use them for walls. 9. Light green. If you like cool colors and rustic palettes, light green just might be the right color for your bathroom. There are plenty of shades of olive, so you can choose one that suits your taste. Regardless of the exact shade, olive green walls go well with copper hardware. They also look nice with white toilets, tubs, sinks, etc. With darker shades like olive, it's important to include enough white, or a similarly light color, to counterbalance it. Olive walls also look good with mostly white flooring. If you want the room to look especially coordinated, you can choose white flooring with small olive accents like the flooring used in the picture. 10. Wood tones. Most bathrooms don't have wood floors. But if you love wood tones, you can still integrate them into a bathroom. Wooden walls are an uncommon but highly effective way to add some warmth to your palette. They go best with cooler neutrals like black or gray. The pictured bathroom does well with integrating these colors. The end result is a bathroom that successfully combines rustic and modern elements. The stone beneath the bathtub and on the countertop adds some ruggedness, while the slender wooden wall panels add a modern touch. So does the matte finished black bathtub. 11. Gold. Gold hardware is the perfect way to add just a touch of luxury to a room. In a bathroom, it's especially easy to do that. Between sink hardware, shower heads, cabinet hardware, and towel rails, you have plenty of opportunity to add gold. If you want to really go all out, try an antique-style bathroom like the one pictured. Distressed, metallic gold paint gives the whole room a magical feel. And while the wood floors and marble countertop aren't gold, they're warm enough to make the overall palette look almost monochromatic. 12. Silver. This one might sound obvious. After all, many bathrooms have silver-hued hardware throughout. But for those who really like silver, this metallic can shine when used elsewhere in your bathroom as well. The pictured bathroom uses ornate silver wallpaper and a hanging mirror, both of which are fairly rare in bathrooms. But the muted silver shades used here just complement the centerpiece. A bathtub coated in silver means mirror-like tiles. If you want to liven up this cool, neutral palette, adding a colorful accent like the purple seat shown in the photo is a good choice. 13. Pink. Mid-century modern decor really seems to lend itself to fun pastel color schemes. The pictured bathroom is a great example. In most modern spaces, you see either pastel pink or pastel blue used with white. But in this one, baby blue and baby pink seem to work in harmony. However, shades of pastel pink work well enough without the influence of blue or other non-neutrals. Since pink is a warmish hue, try using silver hardware and accents. The silver mirror in the photo is a great example of how cooler metallics work well with warmer pastels. No matter which of these colors you choose, be sure to consider the overall design of your bathroom and the mood you want to create. With these 13 colors as inspiration, you'll be well on your way to creating the perfect bathroom oasis.